Did you know freedom exists in a school book? Did you know madmen are running our prison within a jail, within a gale, within a white free Protestant maelstrom? We're perched headlong in the edge of boredom. We're reaching for death on the end of a candle. We're trying for something that's already found us.
What are they doing in the Hyacinth House? What are they doing in the Hyacinth House to please the lions? Yeah, this day I need a brand new friend who doesn't bother me. Why did you throw the jack of hearts away? Why did you throw the jack of hearts away? It was the only card in the deck that I had left to play. And I'll say it again, I need a brand new friend. And I'll say it again, I need a brand new friend. And I'll say it again, I need a brand new friend. The Well, I used to know someone fair. She had orange ribbons in her hair. She was such a trip, she was hardly there, but I loved her just the same. There was rain in our window. The FM set was ragged, but she could talk, yeah, we learned to speak, and 1 year has gone by. Such a long, long